Today we will be testing a crypto scalping strategy. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of strategies and indicators, and I'm testing more every single day. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with a custom indicator. And we have an amazing community over on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader. If you are interested in getting access to the spreadsheets of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested, as well as a free trial to our custom indicator, you can just sign up for our Patreon down below. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a crypto scalping strategy. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 392 different strategies, with 123 of them being winners. The best one so far was able to achieve an 87% win rate. That was achieved using the Academy of Forex indicator. And so far, since we've been keeping track, it has outperformed 290 of the other strategies that we've put it up against, every single one so far. We've also tested a total of 1,046 indicators, with 436 of them being winners. Alright, as I said, today we'll be testing a crypto scalping strategy. And so the source video says, the 10 times trader, multiply your profits without multiplying your effort. And so interesting statement there. I'm not really sure what they mean by the 10 times trader, unless they're just referring to the trader being 10 times. I don't know. It's really confusing title from the source video there. But nonetheless, we're going to put the strategy to the test and see what we can get out of it. Let's just go ahead and hide the two indicators we have on screen now. The first indicator we will add to the screen is going to be the 200 EMA filtered parabolic SAR, this one right here. Go ahead and click on that and add it to the screen. And then jump into the settings. And what we're going to do is the MA fast length, we're going to change that to 100. The EMA slow length, we're going to change that to 300. And then the PSAR start, we're going to change that to 0.002. And then go ahead and click OK. The next indicator we will add to the screen is going to be the ADX multi time frame, this one right here. Go ahead and click on that and add it to the screen and jump into the settings of this one as well. And what we're going to do is under the ADX limit right here, we're going to change that to 21. Then make sure this selection is unchecked. And change the different time frame to a 1 hour. Then jump into the styles and let's see, under the ADX different time frame right here, go ahead and click on this selection and change it to a line selection, and then bump up the line weight a few selections as well. And then go ahead and click OK. And so what we're looking for is when we get a long tag like this here from the filtered parabolic SAR. And then we're going to look down to the ADX. And what we want is for the histogram or the bars to be green. And we also want the line here that looks like a moving average. We want that to be green and not red. And so once all those line up, that'll be the signal to then enter into a long. And so we'll put our trade right there. Put a stop right below this kind of pivot area right here, and we're going to target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward right about there. Let's go ahead and play this forward and see how it plays out. Alright, so you can see that we pretty much just pinball around for a few candles there before we make this nice spike to the upside, getting us to our take profit once again. And so normally this is where I would show an example of a short trade, but oddly enough, in the testing, this indicator or this strategy never gave us a short trade. And so it just happened to be that the vast majority of the time, this moving average line right here, or the higher time frame line, was always green. Now, of course, right now the crypto market's going a little bit wild, and so maybe that was the reason why there was no short trade. But yeah, nonetheless, out of the 50 trades, we only got all long trades. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are interested in a profitable trading strategy, I highly recommend that you check out the best strategy that we have tested so far. It's been able to achieve in the high 80% win rate, and coupled with the position management strategy that I'm teaching all the patrons, skyrockets the win rate to the high 90%, consistently around 99% over hundreds of trades. You can click the link up in the corner now. It'll take you to that video on the strategy. I'll also put a thumbnail of that video up on screen now, and I will link to that same video at the end of this video. Alright, so let's go ahead and take a look at the numbers on the strategy. So we did the 50 trade test like we normally do, and out of those 50 trades, we got 20 winning trades and 30 losing trades. It's going to put it at a 40% win rate. With the 1 to 1.5 risk reward, if you're looking to gain $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $12,000. On the losing side, you would have been risking $400 per losing trade. Your total drawdown would have been $12,000. So basically, you would have been at break even, but that's not including any spreads or commissions, and so most likely you would have been down a decent little amount using this strategy. And so, again, interesting title, but definitely not multiplying your profits. Now, compare that to the Academy of Forex indicator. During the same period of time, we did 44 trades altogether. We had 36 winning trades and 8 losing trades. It's going to put it at an 80% win rate. If you were looking to gain the same $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $21,600. The losing side, you would have lost $9,600 for an overall gain of $12,000 altogether. So definitely better results. And if you were to use the position management strategy that we teach all the patrons, it would increase the win rate quite significantly. Your total gain would have been closer to the $21,000. And so definitely better results. You can get a free trial access to the Academy of Forex Indicator when you sign up for a Patreon down below, and $15 a month maintains access to the indicator after the trial plus your Patreon status. We will also teach you a position management strategy that will skyrocket the win rate of the Academy of Forex Indicator to the high 90% and show you how to get access to a crypto broker that will give you over 100 times leverage on the account with no ID requirements, almost wherever you are in the world, all but guaranteeing that you will be successfully trading with our systems within an hour. We've also developed an additional crypto scalping strategy, and coupled with our position management strategy we teach all the patrons, was able to achieve over 200 winning trades in a row in back testing and dozens of winning trades in a row in live testing. To view that video, click the link up in the corner now. It'll look like a little circle with an eye in it. Click on that eye, it'll take you down to 2 thumbnails, and click the thumbnail that you see on screen now. And an update on the live trading account. So we're still at the 32nd and 33rd winning trade in a row. I'll put a screenshot up of those 2 trades on screen now. That way you can look at them one right after another. That still puts us at the 100% win rate. Now, things in the crypto market have been a little bit wild since the last Tuesday, and so I've been kind of trying to stay out of the market just because things are a little bit unpredictable or volatile at this moment. And so now that doesn't erase the fact that, again, we're just closed out 2 months of 100% profitability using the crypto scalping strategy and the position management strategy combined. And in back testing, it did over 200 winning trades in a row before it finally took a losing trade. So it's a super powerful combination. As a matter of fact, we are so confident in its ability to make you a profitable trader, we're offering a money-back guarantee. So if you join our Patreon and you're not profitable within the first month, then we will give you your money back. You can join our Discord and go down to the money-back guarantee channel right here and read up on that more if you are interested. All right, that's it for this strategy here. We're going to go ahead and put this one on the no list, and we're going to move on to the next video from here.